So today I'm going to show you how to change out window wipers on a 2019 Chevy Colorado. So the first you want to do is pull the window wipers up. On this car there's two different wiper blades, but anyway, for these, this is a Rain-X. You just need to flip this off first. So I just flip this down. It's a J-style hook connection. So effectively, whenever you put a window wiper on, you're gonna have to go here, slide it on. For this particular one, they just have this extra closure. Most of the time you won't have that. It's the same thing. It's a J-hook style. So I'm just gonna pull back on it, and then it comes out. So with the new wiper, you just come underneath, and it just slides on like that. So, and you just put them back and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give me a like, and have a great day.